Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. Brand new home to be built West/May 2023 completion. 3-bed/2 bath/2 car garage. Concrete block construction, metal roof and impact glass, hurricane protection for low maintenance and AMP insurance costs. Upgraded vinyl plank floors or wood look tile throughout. Large kitchen with stainless appliances and granite tops. Open plan with vaulted ceilings. County water and AMP septic. In South Vero community.